What could be more summer than a berry-filled chicken salad? This salad is hearty, sweet, delicious, and it's everything you want. To start, you just want to marinate some chicken, a little bit of lemon juice to really play up that flavor, grill it off to perfection, and slice it up. The dressing has tons of lemon juice, some lemon zest. To make it creamy, a little bit of Greek yogurt, and of course, poppy seeds. Blended together, it is this creamy, tangy, sweet dressing, and it is right on top of a full bed of spinach packed full with berries. I'm sorry, if your mouth isn't watering, you are not ready for summer. And it's all coming up on today's Wise Guide. I don't know what it is about summer, but I just crave salads. One, I have tons of greens coming in from the garden, spinach and lettuce, and I like to find different things to do with them. A salad always works because it is light, it's cool if it's a hot day, and yet you can pack it full of anything that's in season. Right now, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries are always on my mind, and I mean, they're just always good. To play it up, I like to have some chicken on it because it makes it more hearty. You can have this for a brunch, you can have it for a lunch, it can really eat like a meal or a great side dish. And if you want to be any more festive, hello, this screams 4th of July. You got the red, white, and blue, and it looks amazing on a table. And hello, in July when it's hot, yeah, you're gonna want this salad. To start, you just want to marinate some chicken. Chicken breasts are something you always have, so it's easy to pull out of the freezer and use for this. To marinate, I'm totally gonna do this in a plastic bag. Why? Because it's really easy. 2, you can squeeze out all the air so it marinates a little quicker. 3, yes, I am totally earth conscious and hate to use too many plastic bags, so guess what? I'm totally going all grandma on this. I always wash out my bags and reuse them as often as I can. Add some lemon juice. Yeah, it's quite a bit, but you really want that acidity and that flavor to get in there. Some oil. I'm just using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want, but I like the flavor of the olive oil. Some salt and pepper. Yeah, you want both. And some smashed garlic cloves. I love to smash them up. It releases their flavor and you don't have to chop them up. And you don't get any pieces of garlic on there that are gonna burn on the grill. Once you have that marinade ready to go, just put your chicken cutlets right into the marinade. Press out all the air, zip it up about the whole way, leave a little bit, press out the air, zip it up the rest of the way, then put it right into the fridge. Since there's a lot of acidity in this, you only want it to marinate like 30 minutes to an hour. If it goes too much longer, it could actually make the texture of the chicken mushy. So 30 minutes to an hour, that's it. Also, that's nice because it makes it quick. Once it's marinated, you can just take it to the grill with a few lemons. Just have a couple lemons and then take them out to the grill with it. That's right, real grilling lemons here, people. It's getting crazy. Once your grill is heated up, you can just add your chicken breasts and your lemons. So why am I grilling lemons? Great question. 1, it really heats them up so they're gonna juice really easily into the dressing. 2, it actually adds some smoky charred flavor. So that dressing is gonna be like on point, over the top, amazing. Yeah, why wouldn't you? Your grill's on anyway. Once the chicken has great grill marks and is getting a little bit cooked on the one side, turn it over, do the same thing. Once your lemons are starting to get charred and really start exuding their juices, just take them off and set them on your baking sheet to cool. Remove them when they're grilled and register 160 degrees. You wanna make sure to cook them to temp. Pull them off and let them rest. Bring them in and let them cool off as you prepare the dressing. For the dressing, either use a blender or an immersion blender. My immersion blender is easier and easier to clean up, so totally doing that. Add that grilled lemon juice, some fresh lemon zest, a little bit of Dijon mustard. Yeah, any dressing needs some mustard. Some agave syrup or honey. It just depends what I have on hand. Either one works. Some salt and pepper. Of course, some oil. I'm just using a neutral oil here, which for me is usually safflower, sunflower, grapeseed, something like that. And then some Greek yogurt. This is gonna make it a creamier dressing, but without like too much cream. Just adds a nice tangy creaminess to it. You could, of course, do sour cream too. Blend that up until it is all combined and emulsified. And then add your poppy seeds. I mean, this is lemon poppy seed dressing. Why do we add lemons and poppy seed together to everything? I don't know, but we do. And what else are you gonna do with those poppy seeds that are in your cabinet when you made those lemon poppy seed muffins one time? Yeah, might as well just add them and start using them. Stir that together and you are ready to go. For the salad, you're really just assembling. Put a big pile of spinach in a bowl, pour the dressing over the top. I like to dress my spinach before I serve it because then you make sure to coat it really well. Stir it together, just toss it, make sure it's evenly coated in that wonderful dressing. Seriously, you guys, it's really good. It's like tangy, sweet, sour, sweet, so good. Put it onto a large platter. Top it with all the berries you can think of. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you can do blackberries, whatever berry, it's gonna be delicious. Then put on some feta, because feta is delicious. If you think, I don't like feta, no. You just haven't tried it with the right things. This feta really plays up with this because you get the sweetness of the berries, the sourness of the lemons, and then the tanginess of the feta. Guys, my mouth is watering. Slice your chicken up. I just like to do it on a diagonal. Make it all good looking, and put it right down the center. To finish this, drizzle on some more of that dressing right over the chicken. It really plays up that flavor, and then serve it up. This screams summer. It is absolutely delicious. The berries are bursting with flavor. The chicken is moist, juicy, and perfectly cooked. You get flavor of the grill. What could be more wonderful for summer? Nothing. If you agree, make sure to like, share, subscribe. For the recipe, go to the description box. For more awesome recipes, visit wiseguide.com, where you're gonna see way too much of me. And until next time, happy summer.